Today, we're diving deep into a topic many of you have asked about: how to start a highly profitable business online from scratch in 2024. Whether you're looking to escape the 9 to 5, add to your income, or build a legacy, starting an online business might be the gateway to your dreams. So grab your notebook, because we're about to lay down a step-by-step guide that can help you launch a business that not only survives, but thrives in the digital landscape. Welcome to Jum Talks, both returning subscribers and new viewers. I'm your host, Jum. Before we dive into today's adventure, I want to share something personal with you. Recently, one of our videos reached over 600 viewers, an incredible milestone for us. Yet, as I looked closer, I realized something surprising. Despite all those views, we're still on our journey to growing our subscriber base, currently standing at 48 wonderful supporters. This got me thinking about the incredible community we have here and the potential to create something even more special together. If you find any value, joy, or insights in our videos, I kindly ask you to consider hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing not only supports the channel, but ensures we can keep bringing you content that enlightens, entertains, and adds a little more wonder to your day. It's a small gesture that means the world to us and fuels our growth, allowing us to invest more in content that you love. So, if you're ready to be a part of our journey and help this community flourish, please subscribe. Thank you for being here, and now let's get started with today's video. Understanding the online business landscape. First, let's understand the terrain. The online business world is vast, encompassing everything from e-commerce and digital marketing to software services and content creation. What's exciting is that the barrier to entry is lower than ever. However, the abundance of opportunities also means there's a lot of competition. Success in 2024 will require innovation, adaptability, and strategic planning. So, how do you carve out your niche in this bustling digital marketplace? Let's find out. Step 1. Finding your niche. Step 1 is finding your niche. You want to choose a niche that aligns with both your passions and market demands. Start by identifying your interests and areas of expertise. Then, use tools like Google Trends, BuzzSumo, and social media platforms to analyze what people are talking about, what problems they have, and what's currently trending. Successful businesses often solve a problem or fulfill a specific need, so look for gaps in the market that align with your skills. Step 2. Market research. Once you've pinpointed a potential niche, dive into deep market research. Understand your potential customers, who they are, what they buy, where they hang out online, and what drives their purchasing decisions. Tools like SurveyMonkey or Google Forms can help you conduct surveys to gather direct feedback. Also, check out your competition, what they're doing well and where they're lacking. This information is gold as it shapes your business model. Step 3. Business planning. With your niche and market research in hand, it's time to start planning. Draft a business plan that outlines your business model, value proposition, marketing strategy, financial projections, and long-term goals. Whether you're planning to start an e-commerce store, a freelance business, or a digital agency, a well-thought-out business plan will serve as your roadmap. Don't forget to consider startup costs and plan how you'll finance your business until it becomes profitable. Step 4. Building your online presence. Next, build your online presence. Start with a professional-looking website that offers a great user experience. Platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix make it easier to create a website even if you don't have technical skills. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and is SEO optimized to rank well in Google searches. Also, set up branded social media profiles, which are crucial for engagement and marketing. Talking of Shopify, use my affiliate link in the description to take advantage of trying Shopify for $1 per month for 3 months. I'm sure it's a fair deal to take advantage of to start of your business from the scratch in 2024. Step 5. Launching your product or service. Now let's talk about launching your product or service. If you're selling products, consider your inventory strategy. Will you drop ship, hold inventory, or manufacture on demand? For services, think about how you'll package it and price your offerings. Before fully launching, consider running a pilot or beta version to a select group of people. Gather feedback, refine your offerings, and ensure everything is smooth. Just a quick one before we conclude. I've got a small favor to ask. If you found value in what we've shared today, could I ask for a bit of support? If you haven't yet, may I ask that you please subscribe? If we can get at least 20 subscribers from those watching right now, it would make a huge difference for our channel. It's a small action from you, but it means the world to us. It helps our channel grow and allows us to keep creating content you enjoy. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our community. Alright, let's jump back into the video. Step 6. Digital marketing strategy. Marketing is what breathes life into your online business. Develop a digital marketing strategy that encompasses content marketing, SEO, email marketing, and social media campaigns. Paid advertising through Google Ads or Facebook ads can also be highly effective. Remember, content is king. Creating valuable content that helps, entertains, or informs your audience can attract and retain customers. Step 7. Scaling your business. Once your business is up and running, think about scaling. Scaling may involve expanding your product line, enhancing your services, reaching new markets, or even automating certain aspects of your business using AI and other technologies. Always look to reinvest a portion of your profits back into the business to fuel growth. Remember, the path to entrepreneurship is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay persistent, stay motivated, and continue learning. Every big business once started small, and your online venture could be the next big success story. Start today, take that first step, and keep pushing forward. Let's make those business dreams a reality. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting a highly profitable online business from scratch in 2024. The journey of an entrepreneur is full of challenges and opportunities. With the right approach, you can build a business that not only survives, but thrives in the evolving digital landscape. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like, share it with aspiring entrepreneurs, and subscribe for more insightful content. Have any questions or want to share your startup experiences? Drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success in the digital world.